Hello, and welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. This is Dean with eXp Realty, and today I wanted to give you a tour of this new construction home called the Harmony model that was just finished here in the beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. This particular home is in Southwest Cape Coral, and this is what you would call the epitome of luxury living right here in Southwest Cape Coral. You got this huge driveway, two-car garage. It's a circle driveway. There's nothing spared when it comes to the attention to detail on this property. It is a gloomy day today. We do get those here sometimes. It's not always sunshine, but it is beautiful. It's about 78 degrees this morning, and of course you got the flip-flops and the shorts and the shirts. This is recorded on a Sunday around 10 a.m. in the morning. A very quiet location. This home does have the tile roof. Beautiful landscaping, hurricane impact windows and doors. And look at this grand entry. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, so as soon as you walk in, you're gonna notice the porcelain tile. That's throughout the entire house. You got a little wall over here that you can put some sort of accent piece. And to the left here, we actually have the first bedroom. Could be an office, could be a bedroom, you decide, but it does have a full-size bath. "12-foot ceilings, tile from top to bottom. There's this at the closet back here, and it goes pretty far top. So imagine the type of storage you can get in there. Nice view in your front driveway. Of course, you got the living room here with this huge fan. I think they took those off helicopter propellers. And then you got this big built-in fireplace with a 75-inch TV, electric fireplace, built-in TV enclosure, I should say. I mean, this is the first time this builder has done something like this, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. Again, that's my personal opinion. Everybody has their own. From here, you got the outside. You got the open concept to the kitchen. Of course, the kitchen is going to be a focal point in this house. Beautiful, beautiful island, quartz countertop. You got seating up front, and then you also got extra storage underneath. All across. Got the built-in oven with the microwave, extra storage on top, 36-inch cooktop. This fridge does have a water dispenser inside. So there's plenty of storage. No pantry in this house, but with all the extra cabinet space, you won't have issues finding storage for all your kitchen needs. Then how do you like the handles here? I love them. With a good offer, the wine will be included. The wine is $2.99 a bottle. That's $2.99 per bottle. We went all out. Got this beautiful chandelier. All right, so let's go back out to this area. We kind of work out this section first, and then make our way to the outside. This is what you would consider a den. So this could be your office, it could be a bedroom, it could be a study. You decide, but it does not have a closet. To the left here, we got a second or third bedroom, second bedroom. It's got a full-size kitchen. Wow, it is 10 o'clock on a Sunday. It's got a full-size bath. This is another bedroom, closet space, and then an incredible view from here. From here, we're gonna go to the corner section over here. This is where your master bedroom will be. Your master bedroom has a separate slider that leads out to the lanai. This is a good sized space, plenty of room for a king size bed. From here, got to get the lights in here. You get your first walk-in closet. You got your second walk-in closet. The first one's a little bit bigger than this one. You got your private toilet. And your stand-up shower. Dual sinks. From here, we're going to go across. And we're actually going to work our way into this corner first. Laundry room's right here. Good sized laundry room. From here, you get your garage. And yes, the garage has tile all throughout. So if you got that exotic car that you treat like your baby, this would be a good spot to park it. Or make that into a little hangout area and spend your time in the garage. From here on out, we got 2 more bedrooms. The closet is right there. And this is your 5th bedroom. This one has a sliding doors to the lanai area. So in total, this house is 5 bedrooms and a den, 4 full bathrooms. This is the 4th bathroom right here. And it does have that door that leads out to the lanai area, the pool area. So you're not dragging water throughout the house if somebody's got to use the bathroom or take a shower. But each room or each bathroom has its kind of its own design, its own accent area. So the details in this house, again, gorgeous. Another glimpse of the kitchen here, the living area, and then you got this huge sliding door that opens up pretty much all the way open here. And then we got another side over there with the sliding doors. So to entertain, open up both doors and people can walk in and out of this section. You got another entertainment section here with the built-in TV enclosure. That's a 65-inch TV that is included. The 75-inch TV is also included, and so is both of the fireplaces. The detail in the ceiling is breathtaking. You do have built-in speakers that you can control through your Bluetooth. This is a 34-foot pool, the width. You got a section over here where you can put a couple launch chairs, catching that Florida sun. It does have a jacuzzi. The deepest end is 5 feet. It does need to be cleaned. Then you have this huge open section. Again, it is completely enclosed, so don't worry about mosquitoes. Stay up all night, all day. No worries about mosquitoes or any bugs. And they've really put an extra attention detail to this screened lanai by opening up this section so you don't have the breaks. You can really get a nice clear view of the canal in your backyard. This canal is 125 feet wide. And it does go to the open waters, so you can park your boat in your backyard and take it out to the open water anytime you please. You got the outdoor grill station. The outside area, this lanai area, is a really important part here in Florida. This is where you're going to be spending most of your time, is outside anyways. And then you got the outdoor shower here. You got the beautiful backsplash, top to bottom. And then again, another area where you can put a couple lounge chairs or just another table for seating. Just gorgeous. So let's make our way just outside here. This will give you a glimpse of your backyard. Not too much grass to worry about, easily maintained. You do have this beautiful seawall. And then this is what your backyard kind of looks like. It's people with other boats. Last time I was here, there was fish jumping out of the water. Actually, there was one that just jumped in the corner over there. So it's also a great spot to go fishing. And the water is clear, as you can see. You can see the bottom from here. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you like this house or have any questions about this particular property, give me a call. My number is on the screen. And if you're also interested in potentially building, let's say you like this model or one of the other models that we've sold in the past, give me a call. I'll help you find a piece of lot that you like. We'll coordinate with the builder and we'll get you set up. These homes typically only take about 12 months from start to finish. So if you have any questions or thinking about or considering doing something like that, give me a call. Have an excellent day.